Hi everyone, I am Ankur from Nokur Talks. In this video, we will talk about why is a Notion is a only one productivity tool right now, why everyone, even considering productivity gurus and all loving it, and why it is more than just a to-do list tool. So in the previous video, I already told you how you can earn money via the Notion. If you have not checked it out, just go in the description, check it out. So let's start why I am saying it is winning. So there is a more, if you just talk about the number, more than 10 lakhs of downloads of the Android app, more than same for the iOS app, Windows app, and any other app. And they have a multi-million monthly active user, and Notion.so have a valuation of the $2 billion. Even leave aside all the numbers, just focus on, if you see around everyone talking about Notion. So why are they talking about our Notion? What's so special about this? So we will, I have divided all this into the two parts. One is community and second is product. The first part of this video is about community part. So you have listened, okay, many people say कि you cannot copy the community, but you can copy the product. This is the live example. You can say it is Notion. They have built an enormous, a very good community around the Notion. There is a subreddit with the name of Notion, that is official Notion subreddit, which have a 137K K members. There are YouTube channels also which have the same around, I think, 120K right now subscriber have. They also have a Twitter account which have 150K around followers, and same across the other platform. There is a numerous Slack channel is there. There is there is some private groups is also there helping people to dive into Notion, earn money and all. So Notion has recognized that, and they are starting giving appreciation to them, and so they are making a Notion ambassador program where they nominate the person who helping the community by giving a badge, and also they highlight their work on their official page, Notion website blog official page, that they recognize they got. And if you, even for example, the community is so strong, if you have any issue, for example, you want to build a business using just a Notion and you are hesitating, is it possible or not? You just post in different forum over subreddit, ask in YouTube, Twitter and all, you will get a lot of answers and a lot of really good answers. So let's divide the community in the major three or four part. So the first is daily user, who normally use a Notion as a to-do list app, or like just writing their thought and all. And there is a second community members who is the main tool is Notion. They are building app, or they are providing services using a Notion, and or they are providing service through as a freelancing. They are doing that. And third is the person who is building a product based on the Notion. So there's a product is out there that help you to build a blog on based on a Notion. You can buy and purchase and directly set up a Notion, directly set up a blog just on the Notion. Yeah, and for this, who is actually using Notion as a for their businesses. For example, me, I am running this YouTube channel completely based on the Notion, and there's many more people out there who is running multi-dollar businesses just on the Notion team. Yeah, so these are the people helping each other to grow, and that's how community grows. So you will say, what will happen? Like, why people are running after a community? What actually the main benefit of having a community? The first and foremost is the FOMO. It create a FOMO between the new users. So for example, when 10, 12 people are talking about particular one tool, and you are a novice and with you are starting and figuring out what tool you should use. And then when 10 to 12 people are using it, talking about this, so you automatically jump on this tool without even seeing the competitor. You will never go even their website and check it out. Okay, what they are offering. You will directly go on the Notion, directly sign up and start using it and giving it a try. Okay, what exactly it is and how I can use it. 10 to 12 people are talking about particular product and they are not associated to each other. It automatically builds some sort of trust. Okay, this is the one product some of people are talking about. Why don't I just check it out and use it? And the next is support and help. And that is, I already talked about, and I talking again. It is enormous. If you go on the even you if you are a free plan user, you get a support from the Notion team. You get a support from a different forum. You have any query, just write it down on the subreddit. You get a lot of answer. And you have any problem, just write on Twitter. You tag their official channel, and you get a lot of answer of your query. That's the community part. Now comes to the product part. Notion is as a product is a simple and yet most effective product out there. So the first thing I just want to clarify: most of the people have uh, most of the product have a strategy focus on one niche. But I don't know what Notion have done, but they are in a multiple niche. They are not just a to-do list app. They are much more than that. You can run directly your complete business from Notion. You can build a different template, investment template, the meal planner template, and you can track all your thing that, and you can set up your blog out there just using a Notion. So it is not just a niche; it is more than niche. And Notion is very like organically pulled it out. Now comes to the its UI. It's have a simple UI and an awesome UX. So Notion I figure out I need to cater this market and in an effective way. Most of the people are not non-tech. How you do that? So they have like a 15 to 20 blocks, basic blocks there, you know, table and blocks, and then many more. And it is very effective to even a novice who is very starting the tech or like just using their computer. And that is very effective to someone who is already into productivity hack and all this. So it is cater both the audience who is nerd in the productivity, still he can use it that product, and who's naive in using even a computer, he can still use it because it's simple, direct to the point UI and UX. Third point is constantly listening to their customer. Notion has I think built in a 2013, and they are doing they are building a product from 8 years, and I feel they're constantly listening their customer, their target audience, and delivering over that. So if you I just want to talk about a particular two example of that. So recently they launched APIs, and second is sync block. So most of the people have requested over their subreddit, okay, please bring the API, give an option for the developer to even build a product using a Notion, and Notion has listened to that, and they come up with the APIs, and you can directly build a product using a Notion. And if you want to just host your list of things on your own website, you can do that too. If you want to do any automation, then you can do that too directly or with the Zapier. And Zapier have Zaps for the Notion that is there. So they're constantly listening for the user, constantly listening for the customer. That is a very basic, I would say, key principle of building a product. Listen to your user, deliver to them. That's it. And Notion is delivering from last 8 years. Next is pricing. I don't know how they're surviving because most of the like thing you can try in their free plan. Even their paid plan is just a $5 $5 per month. That's it. But since they have a multi-million active user, monthly active user, so I believe there's a million user who purchase their plan. Since it's a very affordable plan out there, they just change in pricing section also. You get everything: unlimited block, unlimited page, unlimited text, unlimited no limit is out there, and you can share your content with your 5 guests, up to the 5 guests in the free one, and you can upload up to 2 GB of your photos, videos over your Notion page. But if you want to go into premium, you get an unlimited option of file storage and unlimited of option sharing. I think at that is also at just a $5 per month. I think that is quite affordable and it's a good pricing. I think they just nailed it. They have not any gimmick. Okay, you will get a limit something in a free plan, and if you have to upgrade, no, just straight to the point. And they in a free plan everything is there. I'm using a free plan and I'm perfectly happy with it. And the next thing is support device. They have support every device, be it Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows. Particular app is not available for any platform. You can any day use your favorite browser to access the Notion page. It is right there. So, yeah, that is why I feel that Notion is killing it both on the they are building community so that they don't need to pay a use on like spend use on marketing, and they are or the same time when someone already come on the product, they will not leave it. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any question, just comment it out, like this video and share this video with your friend, and let me know why you are using a Notion. Is there any particular reason you are using a Notion? And yes, this is not a sponsored video. I just love the product. That's why I'm talking about it. Bye bye. Thank you very much.